Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. It's about a stock option channel, which is going to give you the option trigger. So based on our advanced option strategy concept, and some of the stock which triggers our entry point in the last week, weekly basis from 30th to 4th of November, I think. Yeah. So from 30th to 3rd of November. And now the next week is around the 6th to 10th of this November. And just 5 days. So what are the stock which we are going to focus? And that would be listed on this particular sheet, and it is going to be updated based on the performance of any options. In the last week, so we got a lot of stocks like IOC and DLF, Godrej Properties, and even a BPCL and REC in this tower also. We are looking. I think I was tried in this tower around the 15, and it went up to 24, something like PFC, but huge lot size and higher the premium. And some stocks, it may be a gap up. So only the stock which is quality and liquid, which we are focusing that stock. So here almost more than 45% is almost a 12 stock, which is giving you more than 40 plus percentage, and 50 percentage is about 10 stock in the weekly. So from this list, we are not going to focus all the stock. Only few one or two stocks which you are going to focus from weekly positional, and monthly positional is always be the same for a month. So it is started updating from 1st of November. From 1st of November, so we have a lot of stocks, almost so near about 18 stocks which triggers, and maybe some stocks which is opened by the gap up or gap down, and it may trigger. But from this list, something like BEDL, Godrej Properties, Indus Tower, and DLF, something. It's a monthly positional. It is going to be lost for the end of this month. And this is the biggest expiry, almost 30 days. And maybe we are going to get even more opportunities according to the movement of the market. So here these are all the stocks, and almost 48% IOC. Ideas high value stocks. That is means high lot size. So we are not going to focus something like a Sriram gap up and OB reality, low liquidity. So only few stocks like Sun Pharma, Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital also it is a gap up one. So around 4,800. So by the opening itself, it went higher. In the store, it triggers and the DLF something PFC. These are all the triggers, and we should wait for a positional target. And intraday, it works based on the four Camarilla R4 breakout. So mostly this one, by opening itself, we got a lot of stock which triggers our entry point. So that we are waiting up to 9:30. After 9:30, we are looking for an opportunity. Once the opportunity is triggers, then we are going to focus on the street. So now I'm going to update for the current week. Almost a weekly positional, we got some good opportunities. And the monthly still it is same, and daily it is going to be updated for tomorrow. So weekly is going to be updated. The data is going to be entirely changed for the next week. And if you're planning for a weekly trade opportunity, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can take a new opportunities, and you can exit the trades by the end of the Friday, because every week, end of Friday, so the sheet is going to be updated for a next week. So if you are keep carrying for a holding, so you can't able to track it. Okay, but that you need to understand while before using the Google Sheet. And once the sheet is updated, we are going to get so the newer trade opportunity for the month of sorry, the next week of November. So let I'm going to start to update this sheet, and the weekly positional, monthly positional still remain same, and it would not be changed anything. And intraday and weekly is going to be changed. And this weekly positional we are looking for end of the next week from 6th to and almost the 10th of this month. Okay, so let I'm going to start making update this video. Sorry, update this sheet. And if you wish to take this sheet, and you can get it from me. So that if you want more detail about the sheet, just ping me on this WhatsApp, which shown on this video, and you can get more details. And how to use it already available on my website. If you want to know more how to use the Google Sheet, then you can go to the videos and you will be understand. Then if you're okay, then you can get the sheet from me. And until after understood how to use it and whether it is suitable to you or not, you should decide. And then you can go for a live one also. Okay, so let me go to update this. Once the update is done, the previous data will be ignored or removed from this list. And this is what a sheet which you are looking for as a scanner. This sheet is not going to give you any buy sell signals. It is purely for a scanner purpose. From this scanner, we can find out some trade opportunities based on our advanced concepts and also by intraday. So both we are looking for this. Okay, I'm just updating the sheet and we are looking for 3rd of November. Right. I think some issues. Some error. Just wait. Okay, so I'm trying to update the sheet, and as of now, it is not going to update because of some data mismatch and data issue. Maybe in the morning, it will be going to update for the next week. So around 8:30. So you'll be getting updated for the sheet for the current week. So 6 to 10. And also you can look for an intraday sheet also going to be updated. And you should wait and it's going to be updated in the morning. Okay. So if you have any questions or doubts, and if you want to access this Google Sheet also, you just ping me here in the chat box. And it's mainly created for my advanced option strategy student, those who are using in weekly and monthly. And intraday is for mainly for the intraday players who are looking for an intraday opportunity in stock option. So that always giving you many trades, but we need to filter out from this group and we can find out some trade opportunities. And you can also use your strategies and ideas with this top listed of stocks, and that may be going to give you such a big opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you have any other questions or doubts, you just ping me on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.